guys, this is Joseph a copy from DevUp Media. Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to get a host. And today in this tutorials we'll be buying a shared host for one of my domains, which is filmviewtv.com. So I'm going to walk you on how to get a host set up. Meanwhile, there are different companies that you can get a hosting plan from, such as Contavo, InMotion Host, and SiteGround, and so many others. It does depend on your choice, but today's tutorials I'll be teaching you guys on how to get a host using Speedos. So to get a host, first of all, we need to create an account with the hosting company by just clicking on register. Then we'll click on create your free account. As you can see, we have been asked to fill a couple of details about ourselves. So I'll just fill these details so you guys can also fill yours. First, I'll just put in my name, Joseph. Then I'll put in my last name, Sukopi. Then I'll put in, let me use one of my email or copy, joseph@18@gmail.com. Then I'll put in a phone number. And by the way, this is not actually my phone number, so you guys that want to call, it's not going to go through though. Okay. That's it. Then I'll put a company name, which is FilmView TV. Then I'll put a street. Let me just put in NAF base Spainway. You can also put a second address, but I'll just copy this my address and put city. I'll put Macaulay. Then postal code. I'll put this, and I'll change the currency to Naira so that I can pay in Naira. And I'll put in my password and confirm password. Then they're asking for security, so that in case you forget your password you can recover it. So what's your pet name? So I'll just put in dog. Then you click on I'm not a robot due to security reasons, so that they will know we are humans too. So we are asked to tick the taxes. So I'll click on verify, and I'll click on register. Voila, we've created an account. Then they are asking us to go to the email to verify the email we used in opening the account. So what I'll do next is I'll step into my email and verify the account. If you guys are following this step, this is just the way yours should be. So I'll go to under spam. As you can see, okay, email verification. Click on verify email. Wow. So I'll go back to my client area. Then now I can purchase the domain. So I'll click on web hosting, SSD, shared hosting. That's what we are purchasing for this tutorial. As you can see, there are different plans. We have the HTML mini hosting and the premium WordPress hosting. This is the one I'll be getting, and right now I'm using Naira, so You might choose your own denomination, dollar or any currency you're using, but mine is Naira, so I'm paying a sum of 3,500 Naira for this host. Click on order now. Okay, this is a new option. You can register a domain with Speedos, but I have a domain already, so I'll just click on, I'll use my existing domain. So my domain name is fameville.tv.com. If you go to the channel, you can see a video how I purchased this particular domain. It should be out.com. Yeah, so I'll click on use. As you can see, the premium WordPress hosting for this server offers unlimited bandwidth, unlimited FTP, unlimited subdomains, and all. You can go through that, but I don't want to waste time, so head back to what we're doing. So click on continue. Then we'll click on checkout. Then we have been asked to use different method of payment. I'm in Nigeria presently, so I'll be using my Nigerian debit card. Or if you guys are abroad, you can use international payment debit or credit card, but I'm in Nigeria, so I'll be using my credit card here. So I'll click on Nigeria debit card ATM payment. I'll click on complete order. Then it should take me to a page that I'm supposed to put in my card details for this purchase. Okay, we are on Flutter Wave. So I'll quickly put in my card details, then I'll catch you guys as we continue. Okay guys, if you guys follow that process successfully, it will log you back to your login page, which I've paid for. The host, the shared host, so you can click on login. So as you can see, this is our invoice. This premium WordPress hosting, fameville.tv.com. You can download the receipt by just clicking on download, or you can print it if you have a printer connected to your system. But I don't have that right now, so I'll just go back to my client area. As you can see, I paid 3,500 for just a month. So it's pretty easy to get a host working. Well, you guys might have other hosting companies you really like, companies like Namecheap, Emotion Host, Contabo, Bluehost, SiteGround. So what you guys need to do is you need to make your research and know the company that will favor you, and know your budget. Like a year ago, I used to be a fan of SiteGround, but I have never gotten a web hosting from them. But I know that they are good for speed. I was really interested in their services, but I didn't really purchase them. So you can get a host. So there are different kind of hosting. There's shared hosting, there's reseller hosting, there's dedicated server. Maybe I'll just take you guys through what those hosting mean. Shared hosting is just like you having just a computer and you're sharing resources to like 3 sites at the same time. While reseller hosting is that you can get a big plan and share it to other sites. Like you can host a friend or someone, and dedicated server is like you having a big machine, then you are just using it yourself. You can create plans and share and give to people, and you collect your money and all. That's just the business side. And after you hosted your site, if supposing you get a domain the way I did on Namecheap, and you get a hosting on speedos.com, the hosting company is supposed to send you two couple of name servers. That's two name servers that you go into your domain registrar and click on manage. I'm just giving you guys a bonus, which is not the scope of this course. Then you click on custom DNS, then you place the first name server here, and you place the second name server that is being given to you from your host. Then you click on save. Then that should be all. I'm just giving you a little hint on that. But if should in case you get a hosting from Namecheap, you're not gonna do that. It is automated. But having a different host and buying your domain from another company, you have to add in your custom DNS so they can pair up and link, and your site can be on a global web. Well guys, if you like this video, kindly leave a like for us and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification to get great and amazing videos from us.